This is everything I'm going to use to meal prep. So I finished food prepping and I've got them all in their mold. I've never had anyone from Melbourne actually do an install for me. My mum heart is like breaking slowly. Hello, good morning guys. Welcome back to another video. Before we get into today's video, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and say, guys, if you missed my last video, which is actually a really fun video, if you haven't checked it out, I'm gonna leave a link right here. Really fun. I give my mum a bit of a makeover. It's lots of fun with the family. A little more action, a little more fun. Definitely go check that out. But yeah, let's get on with today's video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Journey's over here trying out her new seat. She kind of loves it. Let me show you. Do you love your new seat, Mama? Oh, who's a big girl? Who's a big girl, Mummy? Sitting all up on their own. Today's actually food prep day. Not for me, for little Journey. Yes, you heard it right. Food prep day, which means she has started solids. Time is the biggest thief ever because I swear it's like she was just born yesterday. How the heck is she starting solids already? But it's been really fun, like introducing her to different flavors, different textures. Yeah, have you been loving it? So yeah, I do find that when I meal prep and I cook everything in this batch, it just makes our week so much smoother, stress-free. You just pop it out the fridge, warm it up, and it's all good to go. I just wanted to sort of show you guys the process of how I do everything. So I'm going to get all my containers out and then I'll tell you guys what we're gonna make for the week. So this is our baby food section. These things have been a lifesave. So I think I bought these from Amazon if I remember correctly. I think I got these off of Amazon. You make your baby food, freeze it, and then you could just like pop them out. And it's honestly the easiest process ever. I wish these were, I mean, I'm sure this was around when I had the girls, but I didn't have all this stuff. So I love making it. Honestly, it's become my new hobby. It's super satisfying. So let's just go through everything that we're gonna need today. I went to Spotlight and picked up a few things for her meal prep that I didn't have. I got this. It's like a garlic presser, but I thought that this would be great for her baby food that I don't want to put into the blender, ones that I want to sort of leave a little bit of texture. So I got this from Spotlight. And I also picked up the silicone icy pole mold. I mean, she may be a little young for it, but I thought this could be fun. She's starting to teeth right now, so she's obviously really irritated, and I thought this would be great for her little gums. Honestly, I think she might be a little bit too young. I tried her with like a smoothie that had like frozen bananas, frozen mangoes in it. She wasn't here for it because it was way too cold. But the main thing I was really excited about are these reusable skiller bags. What happened? Did you drop your banana? They come in packs of 3. They're actually on sale at Spotlight. I'm not sure when this vlog is going to go up, but they probably won't be on sale anymore. But these were on sale. They were at half price. So I picked these up for $6 each for like each pack. And then I think I bought like 5 packs of those. I also picked up a set of measuring cups because I don't have any. I picked up a new candle, but obviously we're not going to light it until the house is clean. Today's like a very like refresh the house day because everything's a mess. I was actually supposed to do meal prepping yesterday, but I had the girls with me and, you know, I just decided like to just spend some time with them. I obviously don't get to see them as much as I would love to. So we just spent the day together, had a really fun day. And I was like, you know what, I'll just meal prep for Journey tomorrow. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to be cleaning the house today, do a little deep clean, hopefully light my new candle. This is like my reward. Oh, it smells actually so good. But yeah, I'm not going to light this until the house is clean. That's just the rules, right? I also got this cutlery drainer because yeah, I stick all my cutlery in like a cup and I thought that this would be a lot better than using a cup. And from Panda Mart, I actually went back. I know I said in a previous video, don't go to Panda Mart, but I gave it a second shot and I actually really liked it. I picked up this. I don't know, I just like the color of it. it's not insulated, so it doesn't keep, I haven't tried it yet, but I don't think it's going to keep my tea warm, but we'll see. I also picked up, after I went to Spotlight, I went to Pantomart with the girls and I got this. These are basically the same thing as this, but I don't know. I thought I would try out the Pantomart one. So far so good. I've got some frozen bananas that I put in here from last night. But yeah, this is everything I'm going to use to meal prep. This is how I prepared her sweet potato today. Usually I will just steam it, but I decided to roast it. And I'm gonna pair it with some lentils and some rice, and we're gonna see how she likes it. So this is the texture we have. I think it's still a little chunky for her. Maybe you won't be so yeah, you're a good girl. Probably hungry too, Mama. Are you hungry? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! All done. That's yummy, Mama. What do you think? Yeah, it's not so bad with the sweet potato, right? Oh, you want to grab the spoon? You love it so much. I knew you'd love it. You love you some sweet potato. What do you think, baby? This is a bit of puree. This is apple, kiwi, and blackberry. She really liked this yesterday. She seems to like it again today, but she likes it a bit warm. She wasn't a fan of the super cold texture, so I've had to warm it up for her. We've got some pumpkin and some sweet potato. I'm just going to roast these in the oven. So I finished food prepping and I've got them all in their molds. So this one here is potato, carrot, spinach, and cauliflower. This one here is sweet potato, rice, lentils, and then this one is pumpkin and carrots. Dessert, I just made apple, pear, and blackberry puree. She really likes this. I'd usually put this in like one of these molds, but I only have 3 of them, so I've just put it in this container overnight, and then once these freeze over, I'll use that and transfer that over. So this was my old method, and this is just oatmeal and pear. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in one of these, just so they could all be uniform. And these are really great in the morning, super easy. Throw it on the stove, heat it with some hot water, and yeah, you're good to go. You'll usually have 2 of these. She won't finish the whole bowl, like maybe 1.5. But yeah, this is my meal prep for the week for a little journey. Oh, I forgot this one. This poor one was just sitting here. Today I'm actually here at Pendeza Studios. She come here to get an install done. It's funny because I've lived in Melbourne my whole life and I've never had anyone from Melbourne actually do an install for me. I wish I had an event to go to afterwards, you know? But it's all good. It's all good. We love a little snack platter.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind.
The baby's downstairs crying. And I'm just like sitting here trying to like play it off. But I'm literally dying inside. But we're almost done here. I think my cousin's just taken her for a quick walk just to like quieten her down a little bit. But my mum heart is like breaking slowly.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Alright guys, so that is a wrap.
Yeah.
This is what I look like. So cute. I'm not used to having like bombshell curls, like tight curls.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it'll die down.
It looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
But there you go. Your
Oh.
box and products.
Cute. So I got a little. So what's in here?
So this is the ultimate lace wig install kit, and then the box to store your wig.
Oh,
Yeah.
cute. Thank you. Well, ladies, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I feel like I needed this little mummy makeover.
You're so welcome.
Thank you, Mimi.
All good. So nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
I feel like Joni has us all stressed.
We had fun.
Yeah, no, we did have a good
Oh, we had
time.
fun.
I had a really great time.
We felt so
Thank you
comfortable.
so much.
Yeah, thank you
Like
guys.
an old friend. Well, we've known you for ages. You don't know us.
Guys, check out Pendeza and Alawaya Studios here in Melbourne. If you want to get your hair did, you know where to go.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we